In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to ReelShort. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open ReelShort application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Due to privacy and security reason, this initial interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. In order to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of ReelShort. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You'll be able to find various methods of signing in over here. Sign in with Facebook, Google, TikTok. You can simply tap on the sign in method that you used while creating your account. Here, I'm just going to tap on this option, continue with Google. Now you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the Google account that you want to use in order to log into your account. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll have to allow multiple access to the Google. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log in. So that is how you log into ReelShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.